I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile with a DNS changer. A DNS changer can significantly optimize your internet connection, potentially leading to a smoother gaming experience. By routing your requests through faster, more efficient servers, you might notice reduced latency and fewer frustrating lag spikes. This simple tool aims to enhance your gameplay by providing a more stable and responsive network environment, giving you a competitive edge in every match. To begin, you'll need to select a reliable DNS changer application from your device's app store. There are several excellent options available for both Android and iOS, often free to download. Once you've chosen one, simply follow the on-screen instructions to install it. This process usually takes less than a minute, ensuring the app is ready to help optimize your connection for PUBG Mobile. With your DNS changer installed, open the application and navigate to its settings. Here, you'll typically find options to input custom DNS server addresses. Many gamers recommend public DNS servers like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS, which are known for their speed. Enter these addresses carefully, then activate the changer. A quick check will confirm it's active, preparing your device for an improved PUBG Mobile session. Now, launch PUBG Mobile and observe your in-game ping. You might notice a reduction of several milliseconds, indicating a more responsive connection. If you encounter any issues, such as connection drops, try switching to a different DNS server or restarting the application. Should performance not improve, or if it worsens, simply revert to your device's default DNS settings. This ensures you can always return to your original setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.